What's up guys, this is Billy over here at Lighting Trends. We just finished up this killer build on this Jeep Grand Cherokee. Brand new Morimoto XB headlights, custom Flow Series DRLs all controlled by the BlueGhozt Controller, and then 3 Demon Eyes on each side, all RGBW, full color changing, and all from the convenience of your smartphone.
The Flow Series allows for full color functionality as well as customizable patterns which are available through the app. Just select the pattern you'd like to use, then select the colors, and you can save it for future use. Also included are DRL and turn signals, which are also customizable. Just connect the input wiring from the controller direct to your OEM wiring, and then pull out your app and select the pattern you'd like to see. It's just that easy.